Yeah. So some people are good in the UI part, right? Come on.
Yes.
Yeah. So like this page, the people are hating. Okay. So let's design that page a little bit good only, right? So what we will do it now, we will design this page using what is that? Spring, sorry,
Bootstrap.
bootstrap, right? So
Yes, sir.
bootstrap, I'm taking the, just hit the
And
bootstrap and what, just click on that. And here what is that, including with a cdn is there, right? Yeah, is
yeah,
including the cdn, right? Just copy this one. Okay, just copy this one and open here our application and go inside that. Yeah, where that, yeah, open this user, right? User page and go inside that header section,
I
right? Go inside that header section and just simply paste it,
please.
right? Just simply paste that one. Okay, good. After then what you need to do, what we need to do, so in that we will take theme leaf also, friends, right? Theme leaf also, na, come on, because some
Yes, sir.
action we need to perform, right? Some action also we need to perform. So here what we will do it now, what we will do it now,
XML column NS
xml xml
column
ns, right? xml ns
XML
colon
NS column
th,
TH
yeah, th
equal
equal to some, what is that,
paste the email
https, 1 minute,
copy from internet.
yeah, yeah, this url, copy this url, come here and paste it. That's it. Okay, so now fine. So here what we will do it now, we will take first what is that, container, div container, right? Div, div, one div we will take. Inside this div what we will do it now, we will take as a
And
class
Yes.
and that
Div
class
container.
container.
container, we will take this class as a what, container. Container spelling is correct na, friends? con, because
Yes.
Yes,
if
sir.
spelling is a mistake then the problem will be there.
Yes, sir. No problem.
Yeah, container, right? Okay, good. Inside that what we will do it now, again we will take what is that, card,
One
right? We will take what, div as a what, card, div, div, after then what, class I'm taking, right? Class I'm taking what is that, card, card. In this card having what is a three section, header, body and a footer
header
section.
body and footer.
Yeah, header, body and a footer section, right? So again I'm taking what is that, div,
Div
class, class I'm taking
card
what is
header.
that,
Card header.
card header, card header, right? Another one is I'm taking what is that, another one,
Card
one more,
body.
card
Body
body,
and card header.
card body I'm taking, and another one I'm taking what is that, card footer, another one I'm taking what, as a card
Card
footer, card footer. Okay, three sections are there, right? Okay, good. Three sections are there, card header, card body and a card footer. Okay, in the card header section, right, let's take our what, card header section. So in the card header section what I'm going to do now, I'm copying this one. Okay, and here I'm in the card header section, I'm pasting now. In the card header section I'm pasting now. Okay, so fine now, friends. Okay, now I'm removing pre-tag, pre-tag. Now I'm taking this form section, right? I'm taking this form, I'm taking this form, right? And I'm putting
inside the body.
inside the
Body tag.
body
Card body
section,
tag.
inside the body section, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, In the body section I'm putting that form things, right? Okay, good. So but still we need to decide design still more, right? Now next what we will do it now, we want what is that, to decorate these things, right? Because if you want to see this one, come here, just refresh it. See how this one is coming, little bit different is coming, right? This one is not look like good, nah?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So fine. So now if you want to make this one as a colorful, now come here, right? So user form header section is there na, sorry, body section, right? Body section, we took header section, right? Header section I want what to give the background color and a
And
text color and a background color, right? So
yes, sir.
in the card header section, right, come here. Now space what is that, bg
Class.
primary, primary, right? Bg primary, and a text color I want to give what is that, white.
Yes, sir.
Text
And
color I want uh,
alignment center.
no, that one will be fine only, right? Now refresh it. uh, Text is white, but what is that, why the
Alignment.
bg background, right? Bg pri M-A-O, right? M-A-R. Now come here. Now refresh it. Yeah, fine na? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Center, if you want, you can give the center also, no issue, right? You can give the text as a center also, don't worry. Okay, so this one is little bit look like good, but I need to like decorate this input section also, right? So I want to decorate input section, right? So form is there, right? Div in the form. Now come here, right? So here make this one as a what? Space. I'm making this one as what? Space. So after then what we will take it now? I want what is that? Again div, one div we will take. Everyone is there, Anna? People are active now, friends.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
Ravi.
Yes.
Yeah. So now again we will take as a what? Div. Again we will take as a what? Div. Inside that we will take a class. Class as a what? We will take a row. We will take row, right? We will take row and we will specify the column. Again inside this one, right? Again inside this, what we will do it now? Again we will take div. Again we will take what is that, div. Inside this div, what we will do it now? Again we will take one class and we will take the column hyphen 3, means I want what is that, just what I'm going to give, right? 1 minute, like what, just assume that this is our page is there now. In this page I want what is that, this
And
much area, this much area for what is that, what is that, for the column. This is the total, it will we can divide in 12 format,
10 section.
So
Yes,
12
well.
sir.
section,
Yes.
12 section, right? But I want what is that,
Yes.
in between 12 I want what is that, only this much area I want to occupy, right? For that purpose what is that, I'm giving column 3, column space I'm specifying as a 3. After then what is that, this one what is a column, another section for input section, we will give what, another div. Again I'm giving what, div class, right? Div class, for that I'm giving what is that, call column as what, 5. Okay, this one, this is the one row will specify, this one will specify what, one row. Inside that what I'm going to take now, copy this one and paste inside this. So no, I want what is that, label, this one as a what, label. So what we will take it now, we will take what is that, label tag, right? We will take we will take this one as a what is that, label type. Okay, so inside this label we will give what is that, username. And here I'm taking for, I will tell why I'm taking the for. Okay, I will explain this one also, don't worry anything guys. Okay, so now this one is this, design. This design is done now. Okay, so next what we will do it now, this input, right? We are just remove this one. Now copy this input, copy this input, copy this input, and come inside this section, and paste it, and paste it now. Okay, good. After pasting that, right, after pasting that, what we will do it now, we will for we are taking the inside, then again one attribute we will increase it, id attribute we will take it, and just what is that, come in the user table, right? What is the username is there na, copy this one. Yeah, copy this one and come inside this HTML, give here that username, because that username need right here. So same like make this one also, and this one if you given far, then whenever you will click on the label means username, right? Then this cursor will specify, means what, this cursor means if you are clicking here, then the cursor automatically will come here, right? If the meaning of for meaning of this one only, don't worry, I will at the time of what is that, whenever we will run the application, at the time also I will show. Okay, so username, right? Username, so our username is ready now. So here what, one more uh, class we will increase, right? Here just give what is that class as a what, form control, right? Form control, form control. Spelling is correct na friends? Control, control, con, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, now you guys want to see the changes. Now come here, right? Now I'm refreshing the page. See this, how this one now, previously how this one, now how it is. Now what is that? See, whenever I'm clicking, right? See, my cursor here also there, my cursor whenever I'm clicking, see, observe this area, right? See, whenever I'm clicking here, that input box is highlighted or not? Hmm?
Yes, highlighted.
Highlighted, right? That is the power of for. Because of that I took. Right? Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay.
Yes. So now what we will do it now, friends? Next again, just what is that? Copy this div tag again. Now paste it here, right? Paste it here. Just what you need to do, just copy this one. Just copy this one and change this one. User email, right? User email, and what, come inside your user table, copy this variable name, come here, right? Already this one, change this one, and what,
For
username
also change.
here also, right? All changes is done, right? Hmm?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now delete this one also. Okay, so another one is what, another one more, again one more time, copy the same only, right? Paste it here again, paste it again, right? So here what is that, password is left na, copy this one, paste it. After then what, come inside that, now user password, copy the user password, again come inside this HTML form, paste it, make the ID also paste, here also paste it. Okay, all changes is done na.
Yes.
Yes. Now remove this one also, right? Now remove this one also. Now in this time, now this one is left, right? So what we need to do, again copy this one, the same, some changes will be there, focus on this area. Okay, now fine. So here what we will do it now, here for will be not there because two check boxes is there, just take label only, right? Just take label only, right? Just take label only. Inside that, what we need to do, just give the role, right? Roles. Now give this roles. Okay, after then what we need to do, now here, remove this input, copy this input now and paste it directly, and delete submit button also. Just submit button I'm removing from here. Yes. So admin, right? So here what we took now, div class admin checkboxes value, right? Value will be come inside that role. What is that? We took roles, right? Copy this one, come here, make username as what? Roles, and this one also, make this one also as what is that? Roles only, right? So now fine. Here we don't need to check in for, because if we take the for, because two check boxes is there, right? Two check boxes are there. So now paste it. Okay, now I'm decorating this one thing little bit, some more spaces and all those things is there na? Yeah, now our form is ready, friends, right? Now come here, refresh it. Oh, but it's still something not good, right? 1 minute. What is the problem? Where we did mistake? Okay, so here what is that? User calls 5. Where we are doing the mistakes? Why
In
this?
calls 3, we need to give all labels names only.
Sorry.
In class is called call 3, you can give the all labels name one by one. 5, give the inputs, all inputs.
We take only one row na first time. So that is why
See,
in one row only.
All labels names give in call 3.
Let me check first one. There you take na row.
1 minute. Like this is the
Class,
row.
class row,
Yes.
div class row.
Yeah.
So in one row all the things
Oh,
are coming. Na?
yeah, yeah. Are,
Labels are in call 3.
what we did now? We did a
We
blunder
different
mistake.
different row.
Oh yeah, correct. In one row, this one will be there, right? After then we need to take this one in a different row.
Second row.
Good observation. Div, right? Now that row is closed, right? After then what we
Yes.
need to do? Copy this one, just
No
paste
problem.
it here, right? And again, what is that? This one, this area will come in this row. Div,
Yes.
right? After then what we need to do? Again,
No
copy this
problem.
row and paste it here. After then this one will become one row na? From here to here. Yeah.
Yes.
Now div, close this one. After then this one will be the one row, and this one and this one here, it will be the close. Right now, this div not required. Yeah, here this one is closing, and the body section should close after form, right? Yeah, perfect. Good observation. Now refresh it. See this, right?
Yes.
Now our form is ready, little bit in the decorated format, right? This one is look
Yes,
like
Ravi.
good, na friends?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. So, but we need to, what is that? Register button also is there, right? A register button we need to design. So this one is what? Input type equal to what is that? BTN, right? Input type,
Yes, sir.
input type submit equal to value, right? So here we need to take what? Class.
Class.
Class we will
BTN,
take what is that? BTN,
BTN, BTN,
BTN.
BTN,
Success.
BTN
success, success.
success, right? Success.
Yes,
Now come on the browser and refresh it. Yeah, perfect. No?
yes, Ravi.
Yeah. So fine, friends. Okay, but what we need to do, we need to submit this register button. I mean, we whatever data we will put, right? Just what is that here? Username I'm taking, what is that? Sandeep. Sandeep, right? And what is that? As at
Gmail.
gmail.com, right? Gmail.com
Yes.
and a password something 12345. I'm taking. Okay, why this one is taking like this?
Encrypting internal.
That one will encrypt,
Password only given.
but still we are not implementing. That one will be in the next where the password.
Text only there, not modified.
Sir, input
Password.
type password you have to do.
Yeah,
Input
Password
type.
change.
password. Right. So here I'm taking two section, right? Okay, no issue. Let's refresh again. Sandeep. Sandeep. Another I'm taking what? As at the rate
Yes, sir.
gmail.com. Okay, after then password something like this. Okay, I'm giving two rows, but whenever we will hit, see, we are getting this page, right?
Yes.
We are getting this page, right? So means what? Still we are not implemented anything about this
Option.
page,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So that's why we are not able to. So what we need to do? We need to write some method, right? We need to write some
Yes.
method. Which method will store the data in the database, right? So just we wrote the logic about what? Just we wrote the logic about what? To showing this registration page, but still we not implemented anything related to that page, right? So what we need
Yes,
to
sir.
do, because we need to make a easy relation with what is that user service, right? Because this business class will interact with our repository, and and the repository will store the data in the database, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Yes. So fine, friends. Now come inside the controller. So what we will do it now? Private I user service, right? I user service, right? Service. Then what we need to do? We will make as a what is that? Auto wire. Auto wire, right? Okay, good. After then what we will do it now? After then what we will do it now? We need to write what is that method, right? We need to write the method in the controller class. That method will perform the operation to save the data in the database, right? Whatever data will come from this form, right? So here what I'm going to do now, public string, public string, save, save data, right? save or save user. Save user, right? Just return null. Now I'm returning null. Later we will return actual data. So here what I'm going to do now, just I'm taking what is that @ post mapping,
Post
because
mapping.
because we are saving the data, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Post mapping, right? So here I'm taking as a what, save. Here I'm taking the data, sorry, URI as a save now. Okay, good. So after then what is that, whenever we are learning Spring MVC, at the time I said, right, whenever this data, right, whenever we are saving the form, then in the argument, what annotation we are using now, friends? What annotation we are using? Anybody remember that? @ model
Model
attribute, right? And what
Yes.
attribute will be there now? User and user,
User.
because we are storing the model data, right?
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, so user now. But if we want to return some message from this controller method to this, on this page, right, on this page, then what
Model.
yeah,
Model memory.
Model.
yes, yeah, so model memory will be there, right?
Yes.
Model memory will be there. Model, right? Model memory will be there. Okay, fine. Now guys, so here what is that? First, what is that? Whenever we are clicking on this button, right, register button, it means this data will come on this method, right? After then what, first what we will do it now, first we will save the data. So where we will save now, we will take the reference of service class now,
Service that.
dot
Yes.
save method, right? Save user, and this user we will pass in here, right, in the argument. And what is the return type we took in the service class? What is the return type now?
Integer.
Integer, right? Integer, good. So here we will take what, integer, because this one will return what, ID, right? ID, this one will return ID. After then what is that, but how our end user will understand? Oh, our data will store some messages we need to give this end user now, then this end user will understand or not? Come on.
Yes.
Right? Okay, fine. So here what we will do it now, we will convert
Model.
this, yeah, we will convert
Model.
this what, we will convert this ID first in the string format, because whatever data will come on the browser, those data will come in the string format only, right?
Yes,
So
Ravi.
string
Message.
message, right? String message, user string user, right? String user, here what I'm doing now, ID, I'm taking this one only, right? After then again saved, data is saved, right? This message we will send to, this message we will send on browser, right? This message we will send on the browser. Then how we can send
Using
this
model.
using the,
Model dot attribute.
Model.
yeah,
Model.
so model dot what is that, add attribute, model dot add attribute, right? So here what we will do it now, we will give the
P.
what is that,
Message.
message, right? Message and
Message.
this string,
Message.
yeah. Okay, after then what we will do it now, we will return again this registration, this message we will return on the this register page only. Okay, later we will implement another thing, then we will see that, right? Okay, fine friends. Okay, good. So the question is how we can, because we are using the theme lib, right? So how we are reading that, if anybody remember that, then the people will get my point, right? So here first, here what we will take it in the footer section only, right? In the footer section only, I'm gonna read this one, right? So here what I'm taking, what is that?
One span.
Yeah, span. In the span tag only, I'm taking what is that? th colon
Yes.
colon text, right? Text equal to dollar symbol, right? If anything we want to read from the,
Message.
then what is that?
Message only.
Message. That's it, right? Message. Okay, good. So this footer section is ready now. After then come here, the like post kind of things is there because we are using the save URL, right? So here
Yes,
what we will do it now, here we will take a th colon action, right?
yes, Ravi.
th colon action. After then what we will do it now, after then
At
what
the
we
rate.
will do it now?
For link we use at the rate. No?
Sorry.
For link we use at the rate and theme link.
Very good. Right? After then what we will do it now? We will use this one as what? At the rate. I'm also forgetting, yeah. Yeah, correct. I think at the rate, yeah, at the rate, open bracket, close bracket, right? Curly, open
Yes.
curly bracket, close curly bracket, and a save. We will take that URL, right? Like this only, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah. So now our what? Our application is ready now. So shall we run again and let's say stop it, right? I think it stopped already. Okay, let's run one more time.
Ravi, for the other field also we use PH column.
No, other field no need. Okay.
Okay.
In another field, the name must match with what? Our model class attributes.
Model class. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So now come here, refresh it. Right here, what I'm going to do now, Sandeep s@gmail. Everyone is there on the session now. Let's see.
Yes, Ravi.
Ravi.
Sandeep, and what is that? Password some 1 2 3. Let's just take what is that? Test, right? I'm taking the test. I'm giving what is that? Admin and a manager. Now click here. See here, what is that? What we are getting now? User one saved, right?
Yes, Ravi.
So, but what I want? Okay, no issue. I will now come here, right? Now refresh the object. See how many roles tab and user tab is created or not in the database,
Yes, Ravi. Yes,
right?
Yes, Ravi.
View the data.
yes.
Roles, now view the table. See in the table now what I'm going to do, this one only, right? This one only we created in the database now.
Yes, Ravi. This part
Yes,
completed.
Ravi.
See now these things, okay, matching now.
Yes, Ravi. Matching.
Now this data become here, this data now, this one is matching
Yes,
or
Ravi.
not, right?
Yes, Ravi. Matching.
Okay, now I'm opening roles, view, come here, right? 1 1, see 1010, right? Here what is that? Admin, here admin, id role, and
Yes,
table name is
perfect.
role table, right? Both are the matching or not, friends? Come on,
Yes,
yeah.
Ravi. Yes, Ravi. Matching.
Yes, Ravi.
Whatever theoretically I explained, based on that our theory, our practical is matching or not? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Hmm?
Perfectly matching.
Yes, Ravi.
Perfect. Everyone is getting my explanation, how the things I'm making easiest way. I'm presenting the
Yes,
things
Ravi.
as the easiest way.
Yes, Ravi.
If the
Very good.
people is curious about to learn the subject, right? The subject is, the Java. See how much easily I'm presenting. See, this is the stage first, friend, right? this is the stage first, right? So one more things, right? So just small things I'm implementing here. So here message is there na on the, like here this is this is the like user one use saved. I need to give some graphical things, right? So what we will do it now, just nothing, bg color make here what, bg color, right? bg make info, this one make is a info, text make as a what is that, white, text make as a white. Now in this time what I'm going to do now, let's take what is that, Pushpendra, right? And p@gmail.com, p@gmail.com. And what I'm going to do now, just one two something, I'm giving the password, I'm giving just him admin role. Now I'm clicking, see this, see in this time the like this footer section also change, and the text will become like this little bit, this one is came like graphically only, right? That is a look like good nah?
Yes, sir.
Now come
Yes.
here, now come here, come inside the database, see this, in this time what is that, array. Don't bother about this one, now directly this password is coming. Next stage will be to converting this password in encrypted format. Still I'm not implementing those things, still I'm not doing in yeah, encryption I'm not doing. That's why the data is like what password is, whatever password we are putting on the browser, that password is coming, right? So now see this one, p@gmail.com, name as a Pushpend, and something password is there, right? Now if you want to say role table, see id number 2 only admin roles are there, but what is that, whoever having the id number 2 admin authority also are there, and a manager also there, right?
Yes, sir.
So just only one things guys, okay, start practice to doing the practical on this one. Let's stop today's session. Tomorrow we will start what is that, next level, next stage implementation, right? This one is what, this one is a big things guys, okay? Because of that I divided in the stage. Tomorrow we will implement what is that, user logging password, as well as what, custom things we will, and like these two things we can able to complete tomorrow, right? And the next weekend we will implement this one, as well as we will start what is that, jwt, as well as what is that, OAuth security we will start, right? After completing these things I will start what is that, redis cache. After completing the redis cache I will start what is that, docker, right? Docker. After completing the docker, then batch processing will be there, right? Batch processing will be there. Batch processing is the last step of our what, microservices.
Microservice. Okay.
Right? But don't worry, still this one will take time, friends, okay? Don't think about that. I'm saying that is like what, microservices is going to complete, but still I think it will take 1 month, because just we are taking the weekend only session na, so that's why, okay? So how our session now today, friends?
Very fantastic.
Hmm?
Yeah, good, Ravi.
Very
Okay.
interesting.
Okay, just take means what, just take 1 hour 2 hour, okay? Just try to complete these things, friends, okay? Just try to complete, because now from here onward, based on this application only I will implement everything. Because again and again if I develop this much big application, then that is also problem na?
Yes, sir.
So promise yourself, not me only guys, okay? Start the practical, because nowadays in the market also the expectation is increasing, friends. So
Yes, sir.
let's stop the session guys, we will meet tomorrow. That's all for the day. Thank you, bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, okay,
Bye.
Ravi, thanks.
Yeah.
Bye.
So much, Ravi.
Yeah.